guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Katie and today I am doing my annual what I got for my birthday video. It's funny because I do this every year, and I make the same disclaimer every year, but I feel like I have to do it. So here we go, disclaimer time. This video is not made to brag and be like, look at what I got, it's amazing. It's actually made just because people are interested. I love these videos. Some of my favorite videos to watch are what I got for my birthday and what I got for Christmas. So that's why I like to make them. I also have already gotten asked on my Instagram, where is your what I got for my birthday video? This year it's slightly late. Usually I would film this the day after my birthday. It was October 27th, by the way. The reason it's a little bit late this year is my family and I, because we can't do anything for birthdays, we can't travel anywhere to be together, we actually have been celebrating our birthdays in like chunks. So my brother and his wife, they had their birthday in September, and and my other brother, so we celebrated all of them on a Zoom call together. And then for me, my little brother Matthew, who's turning 15 in a week, and my nephew Doug, who turned 8 on, I almost said on Thanksgiving, who turned 8 on Halloween, we celebrated our birthdays on the 30th. So that's why this is just getting made. But let's jump into this. Oh, you know what? Let me tell you what we did. We actually bought cookie kits off of Etsy. They were Halloween cookie kits. It came with 13 cookies. They were bats, ghosts, and pumpkins. And then it came with 3 different colors icing. It was orange, white, and black. And then we got orange, yellow, and black sprinkles. It was actually so much fun. All of us had a blast with it. All the kids, all the adults. And it's just something different. It breaks up that like monotonous weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks of doing nothing. So let's jump into what I got. The first thing I have here is actually the funniest shirt ever. And it says 2020, the one where I celebrate my birthday in quarantine. And I just thought, you know what? This is all of us. We are all feeling this right now. I absolutely love that it's like the Friends theme, because every episode of Friends, it's like the one where, so, you know, like the one where Monica was fat and the one where Joey and Monica date or something. Like, it's always something weird. And I just love also that the quarantine is spelled out like Friends would be, and I loved this one. And then also this one I actually feel like is really good for my Twitter, because that's where I tend to be much more uncensored. And it says, underestimate me, that'll be fun. This, I have to say, sums up Scorpios perfectly. We hate to be blamed for anything we didn't do. And we absolutely hate it when people underestimate us or talk down to us. And so I just feel like this is 100% me. I also got 3 pairs of my favorite Lululemon leggings. These are the Wonder Under Lugstream in the 25-inch. I'm short. I'm only 5'2", and I would say that I'm pretty well proportioned, but my legs are slightly longer than my torso. But the 25-inch is still slightly too long. Like, I'd say like an inch or 2 inches too long. But a lot of people would wear these as capris. They're actually marketed as capris, but I wear them as regular pants. They're my favorite leggings. They're very like silky feeling. That's Louis. They're very silky feeling, and they offer a little bit of compression without too much being uncomfortable. And it's honestly just my favorite. I like to work out with them. I like to just wear them, regular clothes, you know, with a regular top, stuff like that. And they're extremely breathable and comfortable in the humidity. The next thing I got is a book from my mom. We both watch this channel here on YouTube called The Cottage Fairy. And she has a book in there that she talks about, and it's called The Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse. And it's by Charlie Macquarie, I think. I can't read that. Oh, it doesn't say on the back. Anyways, it's a book that is supposed to be for adults and children alike, and it's just a fun little story. I just want to find to show you how it's written. This is how it's written, where it's like painted on. It's so cool. And it has lots of little illustrations in it. And it's just a really beautiful book. And then I love that at the front and the back it has sheet music. And I wish I still had a piano to try to play this, because I want to know what the song is. So I may have to ask my mom, because my mom has a piano. So I may have to ask her to play it and play it for me. The next thing I got is the brand new Apple Watch Series 6, I think this is. Yeah, Series 6. This is the Nike collab that they do with Apple. I'm wearing the watch right now. I really like it. Anytime a new Apple Watch comes out, I always want it because I feel like, oh, it's gonna help me in my fitness. It never does. I love having metrics, and I feel like having the metrics will help motivate me. And so I love that this comes with more metrics, but I do oftentimes, I will admit, forget that having all the gear and not doing the actual work doesn't work. And then there's two other things that aren't here yet. The first thing is the new Roomba Mop from Irobot. I have the other Roomba Mop, which is amazing and I love it, but you have to set it. So you have to like turn it on, and then when it like runs into a corner or something, you have to go pick it up and move it. You know what I mean? But the new one, it connects to the app, and then you can set it, you can schedule it to come on by itself. I'm gonna schedule mine to come on every night at midnight, because we will be in bed so it won't bother us. And we have tile throughout our entire house. Every single room, the bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, living room, dining room, everything is tile. And so it can just mop and do its thing. I also got the new vacuum from Irobot. I'm very excited for that. It comes with the trash can, because that's the thing that drives me crazy, is I will forget to empty the trash can on the vacuum, and then 3 or 4 days goes by and I'm like, why is the floor dirty? And then I'm like, oh, I forgot to change the trash. So having the trash can where it empties itself and I only have to remember to change it every 30 days is going to be much better for me. I am very excited to get that. I cannot tell you how excited I am to get that. I am trying to automate everything I can in my life. I think that automation is amazing, and if we can do it, we should do it. And so if I can have a robot vacuum my floors and a robot mop for me, that takes about 20 to 30 minutes out of my day every single day that I don't have to do that. So now I have just freed up that time. So I'm very excited. Anyways, that is everything I got for my birthday. I'm very happy with all of my gifts, and I want to thank you guys also for all the messages. You guys were so kind. All the DMs, all the story shares, all the birthdays messages on my Instagram. It was very sweet. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will link everything that I can down below. I'm not sure where, maybe I might be able to link the shirts, but I'll try to link everything down below if you're interested in any of it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.